Hi everyone, this is the IELTS Switch recording for the task 2 of the IELTS writing section, which is a long 250 words essay. So the question is, some people believe schools should reward students who show the best academic results, while others think that it is more crucial to reward students who show progress. Discuss both views and express both the points and express your opinion. Okay, interesting. In this contemporary world, appreciation plays a major role in every student's life. You have to have the possessive noun here, student's life. Few people say that schools should only reward to toppers, while others argue that pupils who show progress in their grades should be appreciated. This essay will analyze both the views and assert my opinion. Firstly, rewards to any toppers will highly create competitive studying environment. This way they will study more harder. No, harder, just harder, not more harder. They will study harder to win desired prize. The desired prize. Desire is a verb, but desired is an adjective. Okay. As a result, it will encourage students to set their goals high. Eventually, it will be beneficial for their future. For instance, it has been noticed that in some secondary schools, the learners who scored full marks in their test or final exams, the schools provide them extra opportunities like inter-school tasks, foreign exchange, to develop their capabilities in order to take them to national competition, or you can say to take them to a national level. Due to this approach, students started dedicating majority of their time studying so that they can represent themselves in good institutions or state level competitions. Okay, good enough. There were a few mistakes. On the other hand, people who support to the statement that schools should appreciate students who show progress. If there is a plural, this has to be singular. This has to be without an s. Students who show progress in their report card from average marks to outstanding marks believe that valuing their progress will boost their confidence. Good use of a large sentence. Eventually, students will work harder. Instead of feeling disappointed, they will feel motivated. Very good. If they are rewarded, it should always be rewarded. If they are rewarded for significant progress, they will do something, something. I can't read this. For example, okay, so for significant process, they will do much better in their next exam. For example, a boy who scored 60% in his unit test and managed B here. He scored na, so he managed and managed to score 70% in the finals. That what about it? What ahead about it? It would be a great achievement for him, it would be a great achievement for him would be the continuation of the same sentence. If school started respecting and start rewarding, no, if school started respecting and rewarding, eventually he will feel motivated to score more good grades or to score better grades. More good is not a right statement, it has to be score better grades in the next test. This way, students will learn for their knowledge, not for grades. As a result, it will be beneficial in the future. To sum it up, in my opinion, appreciation should be given to both kinds of students, toppers as well as average, who show progress. This way, they will try to achieve more and will have a fair chance. A fair chance. Okay, so there are few grammatical mistakes but they can be ignored. The structure, however, is brilliant. The content is brilliant. So, yes, on an average, this is a good essay, but there are a few grammatical mistakes which need to be catered and which need to be, improved. Other than that, good work. Yeah, to everybody who's watching, please like, share, and subscribe my video and follow me on Instagram at the ILTS Switch. Thank you, everyone.